These are AirTags, compatible with your Apple Watch, iPhone, iPad, or MacBook. But what are they? AirTags are a Bluetooth low-energy device designed to use Bluetooth to connect to Apple's cloud to help locate your tag based on this triangulation with other iPhones and Bluetooth-enabled devices, kind of like how GPS works, just on a smaller scale. Tile, which is another manufacturer of Bluetooth tags, argues that Apple doing this is anti-competitive behavior, taking them on directly since the two are offering such similar products, but although, who knows? Samsung could also follow once Apple finally announces AirTags. Funny enough, AirTags are shown off in a recent support video first spotted by Parag Dutta of Appleosophy, confirming the product existence. AirTags are rumored to cost around $99, but this is subject to change. Will you be getting AirTags? Let us know. And as always, check out more on Appleosophy.com for more Apple news. Lowdown, out.